Okay, go ahead, babe.
See, the thing with these, like, look at the 40 and the 80s, like, you can't really tell them apart. But this is from a week of not doing water changes daily.
And it's because goldfish are the goats, and they'll just eat everything.
They'll eat everything. Our Manton filter is working, it's keeping up with the ammonia, it's converting, yada yada yada.
What are you doing that for, babe?
Well, we're gonna be moving a lot of settled detritus up there. We don't want it going all into the tank, so this is to catch it.
And then we can wash that out in a bin and recycle it for the outside too.
Yep.
Great idea.
I believe this is 5 microns, so it's gonna get filled up quick. But at this flow rate, yeah, we should be alright until all the settlement comes down here. All the mold and whatnot. Oh, Warren, you must have grabbed it. There you go.
Enjoy.
That's why you always have redundancy.
One's clogged.
Yeah, well, the black one is the main line. This one is an emergency. And as you can see, this is not pushing any water down. This is taking over. That's how we avoid floods. Until I get this out. It's always giving trouble. It'll come down though. Good Lord, this is the hardest it's ever been. Oh yeah, sun's, yeah. I'm about to take this off. Something's wrong up there. Now that
Was a big clog.
was a big clog.
And you can tell because nothing's coming out of the emergency really compared now.
Yes, that's how it should drain.
It's not quite. Oh, look at all that gunk on this.
Mm-hmm. These pipes are clean. We're doing a water change. I just want to keep moam here. Well, time to get another one. 'Cause it works. I just want to get a longer one anyway. Excuse ya. All this.
You can see on the camera, it's picking up really well the line of detritus versus the grow bed. See, like right here, babe?
Yeah.
That's cool. There's a lot of muck right there.
Muckety muck. Cut this a whole lot. Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Red shadow tone. Let's go. In here, as you can see when I pick it up, it's a lot of mold, detritus, gunk. That's all bacteria colonies. Like, this whole thing is flooded with beneficial bacteria. So once we get the system running again, this will help cycle the tank back to a normal, safe level.
And restore MTS population.
Oh, very quickly. And yeah, it's a sponge, so we ain't gotta worry about it drying out. When you're gone, there's not gonna be lonely.
Why do you have that rock there, babe?
Oh, to keep the sponge from moving.
Floating off.
Yeah, it's Plymouth Rock. And the sponge here also helps the water just diffuse everywhere, so it's not hidden here and splashing all over the place.
You can take the man out of the jungle, but you can't take the jungle out of the man.
That's correct.
Oh, that thing is filled with gunk.
Mm-hmm. Well,
you can even see through the...
Yep.
Yeah.
But the gunk's all in here because it's 5 microns.
Yeah.
With the 100, you saw that going right back into the water. This,
yeah, that for
not
sure
so
polished the water, making the glass look crystal clear.
Mm.
Oh, that plate looks perfect.
I know. Mm. Like butter. Come on. Alright. With this, you don't want this blocking your open and close. You dig?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I'm doing this. Yeah, it's cool.
So what is that for, babe?
This is just tightening the hose to the barb.
Make sure it doesn't blow off from water pressure.
From pressure. Or somebody yanking.
Somebody meaning Naomi?
Gives it a nice watertight seal. We're gonna cut it more than we need and then work our way. Yeah, and the glass, you know, it's gonna keep it inside. Okay, this seems like I'm gonna cut it down here.
It's better to have excess and then trim as you need rather than cut it too short and then have to use even more tubing.
That's right. It's gonna like that kink right there. But at
Yeah,
least it's right at the bottom.
Yeah.
And we have an emergency, but I don't like that. If we had the, they call the non-kink, which costs a ton more, but you sleep better in it. But yeah, I really don't see us using all this past here.
Yeah, I agree. In fact, it would probably be good to cut it right there.
I'm going to bow. Alright, so I use clear-ish tubing on the emergency, because that way we can see what's going on. This is our main one. We don't want this one up here unless we set it there for a reason.
You mean you don't want this one draining?
Yeah, I left out that word, didn't I?
It's okay.
But yeah, so I like it clear, because over time these tubes, they will get gunked up. We can't see what's in here with the black one, but we know, okay, our emergency is gunked, we gotta clean out.
Or our emergency valve is draining water. We need to figure out what's going on with the black tubing.
Cut. Alright, I'll cut down here. Obviously we don't need that much. Alright, let me get a zip tie.
So you're zip tying it there to keep it in place, and there's no chance of it shooting off either from water pressure.
Yep. Or Naomi coming along and
pulling on it.
Yeah. There you go. That way I could cut, keep it inside. We don't want her messing with it over there and getting an owie. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, let me get a little zip tie. Yeah, it's not bad. I could get it down more. It's just how much
Hold
is
the
Naomi.
emergency one down a little bit.
There.
Yeah, that one.
It's not that. It's how much is Naomi watched here. Well, this is blocking her from coming. Okay, that's what it ain't gonna shoot out. It was just her coming. Ooh, take, run away. You know what I'm talking about?
Clamp there maybe too.
I could clamp it.
Yeah, just so make sure there's no chance.
I can clamp it. I have to go find a clamp though.
Okay, that's fine.
The one.
Babe, it looks like you have purple hair under the light.
Purple hair, purple. Yep. If you go down, you see the bubbles releasing. And then this will level out once all the air is out. So now I'm going to test the water coming in, so it'll never have a problem keeping that pushing out. There you go. That was on full blast. Now I will dial it in.